Hi, I'm once again with you all. In my last discussion with you all, I was talking about understanding people. Subsequently, I realized that talking about understanding people is not a matter of 10 or 15 minutes. It takes real considerable time to have an analysis on understanding people. I will not go in the direction of jargon of words where you get entrapped in certain aspect which will not fetch you anything of worthwhile. But yes, I want to talk about trust today. Creating a trust is an issue which many of us either don't realize in their professional world, or if at all they realize, they don't give much importance to that. I want to impress upon this aspect of trust because this is my own experience. Trust makes a relationship very strong, and when the relationship is strong, your whole aspect of giving deliverable will affected in a positive manner. Let me give you one example. Other day, my boss asked me to do something, and I am also told to give this directive to my subordinates. And which subordinate? Now try to understand this. I was not only asked to carry out certain job, I was also dictated to get the job done by which of my subordinates. What do you understand by this? Will it create trust? I don't think so. Telling someone to get the job done is sufficient for subordinate to carry out the job. But dictating subordinate to get the job done through which of his or her subordinate will not make process simple. Matter doesn't end here. When I really went to talk that subordinate about whom my senior told me to give the job, my subordinate told, yeah, I also got a call from our boss. This is creating one more rift. Will it create trust? Not at all, boss, not at all. My boss is not realizing what is missing in all these directives. In longer run, the team will not be created because the cement of trust is not there in the team building, and that team will get collapsed even at the wind of slightest difficult time. So creating trust will help you to build a good team. I will give one more example. In one of the previous cases, what had happened, my subordinate was supposed to get certain things done because this is what our boss had dictated to do. My subordinate was not comfortable with that, and as a matter of fact, even I was not comfortable. And when this was conveyed to me, I told my boss, this is not correct. I will get the job done, but how let me decide. But there was some problem, so my boss was not very strict, but trying to be very assertive to be done the way it is being dictated. Now, coming back to my subordinate, feeling very difficult, didn't want to do the way it is being told to do. I said, don't mind, we will get the job done by this way. Any of our boss says, just tell that this is what I have told you to do. Don't feel worried, because I have created an impression, such an impression, nobody can ignore me. Don't worry on that. Now try to understand what happened next day. My subordinate gave a call to our boss and said, if you don't mind, can we do this way? Because I'm feeling a bit uncomfortable in discharging my duty the way you are wanting me to do. Our bosses has no choice and permitted the way we wanted to do. What is so big deal? Try to understand. My subordinate, who is otherwise supposed to be a silent worker, obeying all the things, whether it is liked by him or not, but due to my trust, due to my bonding, he could develop a strength to speak out his mind, though in a very sensible and intelligent manner, and could get the job done the way we wanted it to be done. So try to understand, I did not interfere, but my trust on my subordinate gave confidence. My trust on my subordinate gave strength, and the way the whole thing got resolved, it could happen just because there was a trust between the two team members. So what does it mean? The trust plays an important role. Trust gives you courage. Trust gives you strength to face any hostile situation. Trust gives you confidence. Yes, there are people who would take care of you in case of any eventuality. And this trust is a very important aspect in delivering, in discharging your responsibilities, and creating a very strong team, and in a way creating a very strong organization. I have many things to say, but you all are intelligent to understand that trust is an important aspect in understanding people. Please never ever ignore this. You will really be able to do whatever you want to do if you have a good team, because you have a trustworthy team spirit. All the best. Happy journey. Bye bye.